In this video, you will learn how to create awesome screencast videos to help elevate your product demos and boost your customer experience. Screencast videos make it easy for potential customers to see how your products can fit in with their needs and can also serve as a great way to teach new customers how to get started with their recent purchase or free trial. So stay tuned to find out how you can make one for your business. Hi, I'm John here at Spiel Creative. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you'll get notified each time we upload a new video to help you with your video marketing. With that out of the way, let's jump right in. If you're interested in making your own screencast video, you should consider what style of video you'd like to make. Now, you can opt for a more basic screencast style where you simply see a screen recording and someone narrates what is happening as they show you around the software. Or if you want to add a bit more quality to your production, you can go for a dynamic or mixed screencast video. Dynamic screencasts are where you make use of effects like zooms and highlights to draw more attention to specific parts of the screen or include animations and transition effects. If you really want to up the ante, you can opt for a mixed screencast video, which combines screen recordings with motion graphics. Alright, so now that you've got a handle on the different types of screencast video, let's look into the steps that you have to take to make one, including the best screencast apps. Let's start with step 1, write your script. Even though great screencast videos may appear like they were done live, they almost always use a script to ensure that all the important features get covered in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. Before you begin writing your actual script, it's a good idea to start out by writing a brief or script outline that sets out all the points you want to touch on. From there, all you need to do is connect the dots in the brief with natural and engaging language. Remember that your viewers will be seeing a lot on the screen itself, which should be the main focus. So try not to over-explain and make your script too wordy, as this could potentially overwhelm your viewers. Aim to keep a nice balance between the script and the visuals. And remember that every 150 words comes out to about 1 minute of video. So keep that in mind when writing. Okay, so once you've written your script, it's time to move on to step 2, record your visuals. This is the meat of your video, the actual screencast. Here, you'll need to go through your script and pick screen recordings and visuals to match your text. How you do this will depend on the tool you're using. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can always use the new screen recording feature in QuickTime Player, which is useful if you are editing on a separate software. However, there are plenty of awesome tools out there that can help you create really impactful screencasts. So, here are our top 3 recommendations. Our first recommendation is Active Presenter. In addition to being a great screen recorder, Active Presenter lets you edit your videos right in the software. It also excels at delivering conference material. So if you want to integrate a slideshow presentation with your screen recordings, this is by far your best bet. Active Presenter is available from atomissystems.com and costs a one-off fee of $199 for standard or $399 for pro. Next up, we have Loom. This is one of the most popular screen recording tools out there because it's so easy to use. All you need to do is click on one button and Loom will start recording and provide you with an instantly shareable video when you're finished. Loom is great for bare bones screencasts, but you won't be able to edit your videos and add effects like you can with Active Presenter. There is a free version which gives you access to basic features, but you can also upgrade to Pro for just $8 per month per user. Similarly, Cam Studio is always a great option if you want to make basic screencasts. There's no editor included, but it's open source and free to use. So if you're on a budget, this might fit the bill perfectly. Okay, so once you've chosen your preferred tool and recorded your visuals, it's time to move on to step 3, recording your voiceover. When you record a voiceover, you have 2 options, recording one yourself or hiring a professional. Going the DIY route may save you a bit of cash, but depending on your video's goal, getting a professional can well be worth the extra money. Not only will you get a voiceover from a skilled professional, but but you'll also be able to choose a voice that perfectly fits your brand and your target demographic. When it comes to recording your voiceover, there are a few best practices to bear in mind. Now, if you haven't already checked it out, make sure you check out our video on how to record the perfect voiceover, which includes all of these best practices and is available on our YouTube channel. I've also included the link in the description below. And finally, after recording your voiceover, it's time to move on to step 4, editing your video. Next up comes the editing process. This is your opportunity to add effects, transitions, and cut together all your screen recordings in time to your voiceover. Generally, all you'll need to do is drag and drop the screen recordings and voiceover into your editing software's timeline. If you're not overly confident with editing, there's no need to worry, as this can sometimes be done within your screencasting tool, such as Active Presenter. If you want to learn more about the exact steps involved in editing your video, I recommend you check out our video specifically on that subject, available on our channel. I've included a link to this in the description below as well. We hope you found this video to be helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you require any further help with your video production, you can always get in touch with us here at Spiel at www.spielcreative.com. Bye for now.